I got a color stream ring light as a gift. It contains a cheap tripod. And a ring light. It also has a mount for your phone. I had some issues connecting the tripod, but eventually I managed to do it. The mount was easy to attach, but the mount shaft is extremely stiff. Bending it is really hard, and even when you manage to bend it eventually and mount your phone on it, it will block some of the light, so it's quite useless in my opinion. When it comes to the light is quite nice. You can dim it if you want, or make it brighter. There are few different colors you can choose to use. Also, there are a few different modes which you can go through. They are here. This is useless. 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 This is useless, and this is harmful. And there are a few different shades of white. In the end, I ended up using it for my other camera with a makeshift mount, and then it works fine. I got it as a gift, and it was still too expensive,